Was a summary of the book, The Total Money Makeover. The Total Money Makeover is a personal finance book that is written by Dave Ramsey. It outlines a step-by-step plan for individuals to achieve financial freedom. The book is based on Ramsey's experience of overcoming financial difficulties, and it offers practical advice on managing money, getting out of debt, building an emergency fund, and investing for the future. The book consists of 7 baby steps, starting with creating a $1,000 emergency fund and moving through paying off all debts, building a fully funded emergency fund, investing for retirement, and building wealth. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of living within one's means, avoiding debt, and creating a budget to track expenses. Throughout the book, Ramsey uses personal stories and real-life examples and experiences to illustrate his points and provides practical tips and advice for readers to implement his plan. He also includes worksheets and tools to help readers get organized and stay on track. Overall, The Total Money Makeover is a comprehensive guide to personal finance that offers a practical and straightforward plan for achieving financial security and independence. It is a great resource for anyone who wants to take control of their finances and improve their financial situation. My name again is Olubenga Tutun, and I'm the brain behind this YouTube channel. Please, if this channel is adding value to you, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to this channel, and then keep coming back to get more. On this channel, I've made more than 600 videos as of today. More are still coming. This video popping up right now is the next you're going to watch. So go ahead and watch it. Bye for now.